So one of the things that shareholders will be voting on is Elon's compensation package, which includes, I believe, $1 trillion, which is bonkers. If we look at the poly market, it says that there's over a 90% likelihood that it will pass. Okay, so there's that. If we look at the last time they voted on something like this, it was June 13th of last year. That passed as well. And if we look at the chart and what happened, now just because it happened last time doesn't mean it will happen this time. So the event was right here, this yellow candle right here. It was also in a squeeze at the same time. Now here's what's interesting. So this is when they voted on that package and it did pass. Price continued to move sideways for a little bit more than a week. Why is that? It's because there were some shareholders that sued. And so it actually the case actually had to be heard by a court in Delaware. And then it was after that ruling was made that said, yes, he can get that package. That's when we saw this explosive move higher. And then it came right back down. We won't have that. We won't see that happen again with a court case because for two reasons. One thing, there's already a precedent, right? It would be very difficult for somebody to sue on the same grounds again. Number two, since then, Tesla has moved its headquarters, or at least where its LLC is registered, from Delaware to Texas. So different court as well. Probably one that would be, if it even made it to court, which it won't, but if it did, it would probably be a court that was more favorable to the shareholders and the company as well. So if last time is any type of a representation of what could happen this time, it could actually blow past our butterfly, but we would manage it before that happened because it didn't just gap up and all of a sudden one day shoot up 100 points. It was over the course of several days that it took that to happen. So